Atria Renewable launches community-centric rooftop solar campaign. Driven by over 500 megawatts of clean energy projects, Atria accelerates Bengaluru's transition to solar with the adoption of microcluster and same-day installations under PM Surya Ghar Yojana. Bengaluru, 7th June 2025, Atria Renewable, a leading organization in the renewable energy sector, today launched its community-centric rooftop solar campaign in Bengaluru. The key objective of this campaign is to create microclusters of solar adopters in Bengaluru's residential areas by enabling group-based installations for greater cost efficiency and collective impact. The campaign was thoughtfully crafted for homeowners and resident welfare associations, RWAs, built around the theme, Bangalore Deserves Better. Established in 1960, Atria has spent over 2 decades dedicated to reshaping the future through sustainable energy solutions and transformative community initiatives. It was the first private company in the country to generate power from hydro resources. The company is actively involved in producing energy from other renewable sources, including solar and wind power. The company's primary focus is to drive the adoption of clean energy at the community level by leveraging existing trust networks such as neighbors, RWAs, and friends to maximize reach and engagement. Through the creation of microclusters and group-based solar installations, the brand ensures greater cost efficiency and collective impact. With growing awareness about climate change and more people wanting to take proactive steps to address it, this initiative empowers communities to act collectively, while also benefiting from government support such as the PM Surya Ghar Yojana, which offers rooftop solar subsidies of up to 78,000. At Atria, we have always believed in the power of clean energy to drive meaningful change, and not just at the individual level, but at the community level, said C.S. Sundar Raju, Chairman and Director of the Atria Group. The idea behind this campaign was to create a collective movement that makes solar energy more accessible and affordable through shared adoption models like microclusters. Climate change is real, and it's perilous to believe that someone else will address the issue. This initiative is our way of empowering communities to act now with the added support of government schemes like the PM Surya Ghar Yojana. I sincerely hope that the people of Bengaluru will come together, embrace this campaign, and lead the way in community-led solar adoption. According to Modern Intelligence, India Rooftop Solar Market Report, India's rooftop solar capacity is projected to grow from 17.6 gigawatts in 2025 to 41.52 gigawatts by 2030, reflecting a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 18.73%.
ಇವಾಗ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಡಿಸರ್ವ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಸೋಲಾರ್ ರೂಫ್ ಟಾಪ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಇದರಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಗಳು ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಏನು ಒಳ್ಳೇದಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಎರಡನೇದು, ನೀವು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಸಿಟಿನ ಈ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮೂರನೇದು, ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಮೂರು ಕಾರಣಗಳಿಂದ ನಾವು ಈ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ಸಾಹ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ತಿಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಸುಲಭವಾಗಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಟು ಗೋ ಆಫ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅದೊಂದೇ ಬಾಕಿ ಇರೋದು ಇವಾಗ.